Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be discussing what's in my monthly makeup basket for the month of July. I'm doing it a little different this time, talking to you about the products as well as showing you guys application and my everyday makeup face, and that is pretty much what you see here. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Hey guys, I'm coming to you barefaced. I am doing my everyday makeup basket a little different now since moving all of my makeup, beauty products and stuff upstairs to our third floor. I'm going to share with you other products that I'm using on an everyday basis that I am circling monthly. So what I'm going to be doing, honestly, I'm not going to come up to the third floor with two kids all the time to put on a face makeup. So I have my big marble kind of makeup case that you guys have seen in my monthly makeup bags that I have majority of my makeup that I want to kind of work on. But I'm gonna have this little black bag in my bathroom with me, along with my makeup brushes, like my everyday makeup brushes. So when I have time and for a quick look, things like that, I have my go-to look for the month. So I'm gonna share with you guys the products and we're gonna get ready together of my quick look for the month of July. The products that I'll be working on, I'll share with you guys a couple of the other products that are in the marble basket, as well of other products that I'll be rotating in during the month. But for the main part, I'm going to show you guys kind of my minimalist makeup bag for the month of July. So yeah, this is the new digs. We originally had this kind of like attic guest bedroom. We really didn't use it as a guest bedroom because we had a guest bedroom, I'm trying to get my mirror situated, a guest bedroom where the nursery is going in. You just found me, I am currently 23 weeks pregnant with baby number 2. It is a girl this time. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is the anti-age, no, this is the original kind. So I'm just gonna put that on the lids. But yeah, so I'm super excited. We started moving all this furniture out like maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago. My dad and my husband did it. They started with like the heavy lingerie chest piece and things like that. But now everything is in here. So the furniture will come in about 2 weeks. So I'll be doing a nursery tour and reveal and maybe organization video coming soon. Okay, so what I have honestly been gravitating towards lately is using my Charlotte Tilbury Luxury palette. This is in Pillow Talk, and I have been using these shades for a really quick, easy look. I took this to the beach with me. I absolutely love it, but I am still using my big Charlotte Tilbury palette. This is the Instant Eye palette in Pillow Talk. And I am still using these shades, but really this has been what's been my go-to, but I can put this in that bag as well. So for what I like to do to top my eyeshadow primer is use my Anastasia Beverly Hills in Vanilla. On the phone real quick was the Makina people for my progesterone shots for this baby, which if you haven't seen my pregnancy updates, it has kind of been a little hot mess. I will keep you guys updated though, but man. But I'm definitely gonna be finished with this little eyeshadow this month for sure. I did just purchase from Ulta the fresh eyeshadow, so I will be switching to that. I just tend to go through these like matte white shadows pretty fast, but that's because I put it on my whole entire eye. So we're going in with the big eyeshadow palette. I'm going into this color right here in Dusk. It's kind of like a orangey kind of taupe color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease right there. But this pregnancy has totally been completely different than my first one, and I think it's because he came so early. I'm really enjoying though getting to see baby girl so much, but all of the stuff that they've been having me do extra, put me through is just kind of stressful. I'm honestly just ready for October to come and for her to be here. But it is kind of crazy now that like everything is like upstairs and I'm filming in here. I feel like it's getting like so dark in here because all my white furniture is here. I have to figure that out, what I want to do. but I know my dad and husband do not want to move that piece of furniture again. Yeah, so now I'm going in to Date. This is like the brown color, and I'm putting that in my outer corner. And I really do love these Charlotte Tilbury shades. They do last throughout the day. They are super pigmented and creamy. I don't get a lot of fallout with them. I'm going to go in and blend all that out. Since getting that Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk box, if you haven't seen that, I got that kind of around holiday time last year. I've been really obsessed with a lot of their products. I'm going in now to this Day shade right there. So I've used up the lighter color, and we're just going to top my eyeshadow with that and fill it into the inner part. Nice kind of colorful base. What I have been using for my face, I love my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream, but I feel like that is getting discontinued. Before going to the beach, I was using my Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation a lot in a light beige, and I have been enjoying it. But I did purchase the It Cosmetics. This is the Your Skin CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream in SPF 50+. And I've been using this since going to the beach, and I'm going to continue to use it. Honestly, a little goes a long way with this product, and it kind of is not my favorite. I don't think I would recommend you guys get it. I really miss my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream. This is a little bit more, and it could be due to the higher SPF content, but it's a little bit more cakey-like and noticeable on my face. So throughout the day, like, I'll look at my face and I can like clearly see the foundation on my face, and I'm definitely more of a light to medium coverage foundation girl. But I do like that it has sunscreen, and it's still kind of like a one and done product. It has sunscreen in it. I don't need a primer with it, and there's some color correcting to it, but I probably will not repurchase this once finished. It doesn't look bad on my skin, but it's just definitely not one of those products that I would repurchase and highly recommend you guys. It does also have a very high SPF scent to it, so you can clearly smell it. But with me this summer being out in like splash pads, playing outside with my son, going to the pool and stuff, I do think this is a nice base for me. And when I was at the beach, it was nice, but for every day, it's not something I would keep redoing once this product is gone. But I will continue to be working on it this summer until it's used up. But I did 2 pumps, and that is all the product that is still currently on my hand. So definitely a little goes a long way with that product. And I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. I love this thing. I got light neutral. I even went to like, Ulta was having a Tarte event way back in the day. This is like Baby Jackson days. And I went and they showed me how to use it, that you dot it on your hand and use your finger to apply it. If you put it straight onto your under eyes, it can definitely get cakey and crease, so just a little bit goes a long way for that. So I have been applying it like this since I got it. I've used maybe 2 or 3 tubes of this. It is my favorite concealer. I also have in my makeup bag right now, I've been playing with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. The shade I got is Light Sand, and I definitely think the shade is a little bit more orange than what I would like. So not my favorite. I don't know if it's the formula. I feel like the formula is a little bit lighter weight, but I will keep you guys updated with that. And then what I have really been liking doing is going into my Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting 3 Volume Palette, and you guys can see I've been using dim light a whole lot, so I still am currently doing that. And then I also have been using my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I talk to you guys about this pretty much every month. That is my favorite every day. For nicer days when I'm like hanging out with friends, family, doing things, I do tend to go for a dim light. It gives just a pretty shimmer light effect to your face without being like a highlighter. So I just take this kind of powder buffer brush from e.l.f. and just kind of set foundation. And especially with the sunscreen, I feel like it makes it super shimmery. So then the blush I've been using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting 3 blushes a lot, but lately I've been really into my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Chic to Chic blush, and I've really been enjoying this. So I will take a blush brush, go around in the circle, and just kind of apply it to my cheeks that way and get that pigment all over. And then I will pop that middle right on top. But then I will go in to my highlighters and use that kind of middle part of the highlight and get right on top of my cheeks to just make it pop. But then if you guys have been following me along on my channel, you know my highlighters, I tend to take a little pencil brush and go right in the middle of my eyeshadow on both sides and right in the inner part of your eye. So that way it kind of helps brighten up your eyeshadow. That is typically what I like to do. For liner right now, I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Going to curl my lashes. If you get in the like holiday season time, but Tarte comes out with a like curl boss set where it comes with eyelash curler and mascara. Pick it up. I need to pick a new one up this year. Like my little mascara wand is getting super old, but this is seriously the best eyelash curler. I have tried the Revlon one, I've tried an e.l.f. one, I've tried a couple of other drugstore ones. These just curl your lashes without pulling them and hurting, things like that. So highly recommend you guys check out the Tarte eyelash curlers. Mascara lately, I've been using the Clinique High Impact Waterproof Mascara, but I'm not really going anywhere playing with water, I don't think today. Son is at summer camp, so I'm going to use my CoverGirl. This is the Clean Fresh Mascara, and this is just a newer one I have been doing. It is kind of like one of those curvy smiley face one, so I get right under, flip it upside down, and get right under, push up my lashes. Now this one is not a very volumizing mascara. It's definitely more like a natural coat. So if you want some big lashes, this is not the mascara for you. But I wanted to try something new out. This one does say it's waterproof in extreme black. I have not tested the waterproof of this out. I've only probably used this mascara about 2 or 3 times. For brows, you guys know I love my Essence. This is the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. I have the shade Brownie Brows. Comes in a bunch of different shades. I love that it has the little spoolie brush. Makes it really easy to just brush them across your eyebrows. Gives a nice little tint to it and kind of keeps all the hairs together. And then for lips, I have a lot of my lip products downstairs. I have like a little bathroom caddy that has like my lotions and then my lip products. But up here right now, I have my Too Faced. This is the birthday suit. I've been using this in a Partners in Cream project. And downstairs I have Pillow Talk Intense, and then Gracefully Pink from Charlotte Tilbury that I tend to use. That is everything that's in kind of my everyday bathroom makeup vanity. I also have in my marble case for like when I want extra makeup touch-ups, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I don't use bronzer and wear it every day, so it's not going to be downstairs with me. But I do really like this powder. It is more light in color. There's also a dark chocolate Soleil one as well. I like that it's matte, also has cocoa powder, smells pretty good. Other liners I'm using are the Nyx Epic Ink Liners. These are not liquid liners. I typically like to wear liquid eyeliner on an everyday basis, but I do have these. This is pitch black, and then I have a blue and blue trip. I like to put blue sometimes on the underparts of my eyes. And another brow product I've been using is the Winky Luxe Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And still have a lot of product of this to go, and this is really nice for the days I want to spend a little bit more time on my brows. You just kind of brush in the hairs, and then on the opposite side of this brush is a spoolie, so you can kind of clean up that way. And then the other two products I have in there right now is my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and I really love using this. I'm actually almost done with it. Super sad. And then I use this sometimes on other quick looks. I might throw this in my black bag. This is from Trestique. This is their mini shadow crayon in Morimoto Pink Pearl. Watch it for you guys. So it kind of looks like that. I'll put that all over the lid, and then I will put some bronzer or something in the crease to kind of give a little more definition. But that is everything for that is in my makeup bag for July and how I'll be kind of storing and playing with my makeup this month. Let me know if you like the style of this video, or if you like me just kind of showing you guys the products versus kind of putting them on and showing you application of them. I'd love to know your thoughts down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something